Hello everybody, welcome to the C.H.A.B.I.S YouTube channel. Today I'm taking the risk of having my channel taken down and getting a community strike because I show you how to charge a gun. This is the magazine of an airsoft gas-driven pistol. You can see it loads 6mm plastic balls and shoots them. I don't know exactly how strong. I bought it legally in Switzerland in an official shop, and I had to sign a contract which tells me that I'm only allowed to carry that pistol directly from home to a venue, to an event, or from my home to the gun shop and back, and nowhere else. This is because it looks like a real gun, even though it's a Chinese copy. Anyway, if you want to charge this gun, you have a tank in here, a gas tank, and you fill it using this gas bottle here, which is a flammable gas. It does not say what exactly, but I'm quite sure it's probably about the same propane-butane mix you use in other gas cookers or something, but do not use it for anything else than for what it's intended for, and don't smoke or anything near it. I wear this glove because gas is under pressure. If it comes out, it decompresses and it gets very cold. You can get really cold fingers, and even some frost bites you feel for a couple of days. So to charge it, you put the bottle on top of it, on the nozzle here, on the valve, and you just press it down and wait until there is no gas flowing in anymore. In my case, it was already quite full, so there was not much happening. So, that's how to charge a gas tank of an airsoft pistol yourself at home. Thank you for watching.